Your company is important to you. We know this. Your operations and processes need to run smoothly and should be consistent for you to sustain everything. It only makes sense that you need your printing and mobility equipment to handle the constant pressure. Unfortunately, this is not always the case. Introducing Roan Active Care. Our revolutionary maintenance and service packages are an advanced step above any of our competitors. Roan Active Care consists of 9 uniquely built packages, so you can be sure there's a solution for you. Let's go take a look at our first package. Nickel. This package is a perfect solution for third-party services. Copper. This package is specifically made for our clientele that only requires preventative maintenance. Bronze. This package is suitable for the company that only requires our unique skill set. Silver. Our silver package caters for the client that has a technical team and only requires us to source parts. Gold. This package gives you extra peace of mind with extended cover on parts. Titanium. This package features on-site repairs for your fleet under warranty. Tungsten. Full comprehensive cover on your fleet that includes preventative maintenance. Platinum. On-site or 24/7 support with full maintenance, which includes our Roan Active device management. Roan Active Care is located in all major cities within South Africa, so you can have peace of mind knowing that we are always close by to assist, guide, service or repair any of your printing and mobility fleet. Welcome to Roan Active Care.